Good morning, students. This is your lesson number 13 in social studies, and today we are going to revise this chapter. Okay, so here is national symbols. So here you will revise all the given topics like the national flag. Okay, here the three bands of national flag are: topmost band, it is called saffron, it is in a saffron color; middle band, it is in of white color; and bottom band, it is of green color. Okay, here is given rules to be followed while hoisting the tricolor. You will read this also. Then here is given half mast flag. I already explained this. You will you will read it again and you will just find out what is called the half mast flag. Here see, the tricolor is flown at half mast in case of mooring. Okay, and when the tricolor is lowered or flown at half mast, it means that the flag is not at the top of the pole. Okay, the flag is flown at half mast in case of death of national dignitaries. ओके जब किसी राष्ट्रीय डिग्निटरीज की डेथ हो जाती है, मीन्स इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन, तब हम झंडे को आधा फैलाते हैं, मतलब पोल से पूरा टॉप पे नहीं फैला के हाफ पे करते हैं. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड हाफ मस्ट फ्लैग. हियर इज नेशनल एंथम. यू नो अबाउट आवर नेशनल एंथम? जन गण मन इज आवर नेशनल एंथम. एंड हु हैज रिटन दैट नेशनल एंथम? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, here it is given Jan Gana Man. Then it's national song. Vande Mataram is our national song, and who has written this national song? Who? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, so here is given Vande Mataram. Another is national emblem. Okay, national emblem. Here is a picture of the national emblem. See the 4 line. Only here in the front you can see the face of 3 line, but actually it's a 4 line. Okay, so the word Satyamev Jayate are inscribed on it. इसके नीचे कौन सा वर्ड लिखा होता है? सत्यमेव जयते, which means truth alone trumps. जिसका मतलब है कि हमेशा सत्य की जीत होती है. ओके, और ये जो इसके यहाँ पे वीर है वो क्या कहलाता है? धर्म चक्र. ठीक है, धर्म चक्र कहलाता है. और ये जो लॉइन के फेस है, ये 4 लॉइन के फेस हैं. ओनली 3 आर विजिबल हियर. 3 लॉइन्स आर विजिबल हियर, बट इट हैज 4 लॉइन्स एंड 4 डायरेक्शन. ओके, अनदर इज नेशनल सिंबल्स. कुछ नेशनल सिंबल्स भी है दैट यू शुड नो. द हियर टाइगर इज द नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया. It symbolizes bravery and strength. Okay, peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is the national bird of India. It symbolizes beauty and pride. Lotus is the national flower of India. Lotus क्या है? National flower है. It symbolizes purity and dignity. The Indian banyan tree is the national tree of India. Here is a picture of banyan tree. It is the national tree. Okay, it symbolizes longevity. Okay, mango is the national fruit of India. Okay, and the Ganga is the national river of India. So you will revise it again. Here is some important points you can see. The national flag of India is tricolor. It has 3 equal bands of saffron, white and green color. The white band has wheel of 24 spokes. Jan Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Okay, the national emblem of India was taken from the Ashoka pillar Sarnath. ठीक है, जो नेशनल एम्बलम है वो कहाँ से लिया गया है? अशोका पिलर से. Tiger is the national animal. Peacock is the national bird. Lotus is the national flower. Banyan tree is the national tree. Mango is the national fruit. And Ganga is the national river of India. So, okay. Here is, check the correct option given. आपने किया है, you have done in your book. Then question answers given here, you have to prepare each and every question from here. Fill in the blanks also given here, and true and false match the following. So once you will read this chapter, okay, and then you will prepare the question answer of this lesson. After completing, next day I will give you the question answer. And yesterday जो भी work दिया था, nobody has sent me back the attachment, how many you have done. So I want to see after completing, you have to send me back. Okay, so prepare the lesson again and prepare this question answer, and whenever I will give the question answer as a revision work, you have to give, after completing you have to send me back. Okay.